Consider the quartic polynomial 60 times x to the fourth power positive 170 times x square positive 120. It is known that it can be factored in the form k times ax square positive b times cx square positive d, where k, a, b, c and d are integers. Determine the smallest possible value of a, b. Okay, what we can do is we can write the given polynomial in the factor form like the given one over here. Okay, let me take this polynomial that is 60 times x to the fourth power positive 170 times x to the second power positive 120. When I look at these numbers 60, 170 and 120, I find 10 as the greatest common divisor. So we can factor 10 out. When 10 is factored out, to get the stuff inside the parentheses, we have to divide all the terms in this polynomial by the one I factor out, that is 10. When I divide this one by 10, I am getting 6 times x to the fourth power, and for this one I am getting positive 17x square, and for this one I am getting positive 12. Now we can assume this is quadratic polynomial and get the factor form. For that, we have to multiply the constant term positive 12 by the leading coefficient 6. When I multiply positive 12 by 6, I am getting positive 72. Okay, now we have to get two numbers over here such that the product of these two numbers equals to positive 72 and the sum of the two numbers equals to the coefficient of x square over here, that is 17. I think positive 9 and positive 8 will work. When I multiply positive 9 and positive 8, I am getting positive 72. When I add these two numbers, that is equal to positive 17 over here. Further, we have to divide both the factors over here by the coefficient of x to the fourth power. That is the leading coefficient in this expression, 6. Okay, let me write 6 over here. The greatest common divisor for 9 and 6 is 3. 3 goes into 6 2 times and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Here the greatest common divisor for 8 and 6 is 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times and 2 goes into 8 4 times. I am getting positive 3 over 2. Here positive 4 over 3. Since we have x square over here in the two factors, what we can do is we can take x square over here and x square over here. Now, to get the first factor for this polynomial, we can move this denominator 2 as a coefficient of x square. Then I'm getting 2x square positive 3. And the same thing we can do over here, that is we can move this denominator 3 as a coefficient of x square over here. Then we get the second factor, that is 3x square positive 4. Now I got the factor form of the given polynomial over here. This is exactly in this form. So when I compare the factor form given over here and the factor form we got over here, at the place of k we have 10. If I consider this 2x square positive 3 for ax square positive b and this one for cx square positive d, at the place of a we have 2, at the place of b we have 3. Then a times b equals to, we get 2 times 3, that is 6. In case I consider this one for ax square positive b and this one for cx square positive d, then we get 3 at the place of a, b at the place of 4, then a times b equals to 3 times 4 is 12. Here we get two possible values for a times b, and according to the question we have to find the smallest possible value of a times b. So the smallest possible value of a times b is 6.